Hello everyone. Are you wondering what drip check means? Let's explore. Drip check is a phrase used to challenge someone to show off their outfit or style, particularly when their fashion is expected to be impressive or on trend. The term drip refers to stylish clothing or accessories, so a drip check is essentially an evaluation of how well someone is dressed. This phrase is commonly used in social media and among fashion-conscious communities, where people often post pictures or videos showcasing their outfits, sometimes with the caption drip check to invite others to judge or admire their look. It's a way to both celebrate and scrutinize fashion choices, with a focus on individual style and expression. In essence, a drip check is about putting your fashion sense on display and inviting others to appreciate or critique it. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.